A very big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us these pimple popping needles to try out. Sometimes as part of your self-care routine, you just need to tackle some of these blemishes on your own. Maybe you've got some acne, a little milia, something that needs to be dealt with. These are going to be really great. These come out to you in a box here of 100. And each box has 2 little transparent cases in there. They come in either blue or pink, so you can pick. And the really good thing about these ones is they are sterilised at the factory, so they're good to go straight away. So they have a twist off cap. So once you remove that cap, you are good to go. And the cap cannot be replaced. The tips themselves have a tri-beveled tip. So these are going to be really nice and sharp, accurate, with minimal discomfort. These are going to be really handy just to keep in your cabinet, just to tackle those little blemishes and things at home. Thank you so much again to the team for sending us out. We really do appreciate it.